Have you ever seen a page where you send a specific keyword and suddenly you get a bunch of videos, images, and all sorts of info back? And want to do the same for your own followers when they send you a keyword? This tutorial is for you.
In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to create a direct message automation in CVP Chat that can send images, videos, audio files, documents, and even a sign-up form, all triggered by a keyword in a DM. First, go to the New Task page and choose the direct message scenario. This means the automation will run whenever someone sends a DM with a specific word, like demo. If you only want it to respond to DMs and not story replies, leave it as is. If you want it to work for both DMs and story replies, choose Reply on All Stories. Next, set the keyword trigger. For example, we'll use the word demo. Whenever someone sends demo, we'll send a series of messages. You can upload an image, either a new one up to 8 megabytes or one from your gallery. Then, add a video up to 25 megabytes, either by uploading it, providing a URL, or choosing one from your gallery. For audio, you can record directly or upload a file in MP3, MP4, or WAV format. You can also attach documents like PDFs, Word files, or Excel sheets, either by uploading them or selecting from previously uploaded files. Then we'll add a form. You can customize the invite text that appears when you ask users to fill it out, set the button text for opening the form, and define the submit button text. After they submit, they'll see a confirmation message. You can include default fields like email, phone, and address, or add custom questions with text, yes, no, or multiple choice options. To view or download submitted form information from the left menu, you must go to the Submissions page and access all submitted forms. You can rearrange the order of all these messages easily by using the up and down buttons next to each item, so you can decide if the image goes first, then the video, and so on. Finally, you can enable options like asking users to follow you or segmenting your audience based on their responses. Once everything is set up, just save and go live, and your automation is ready to roll.
CVP Chat, your twin on Instagram.